Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Preppy Girls spring break essentials. And I'm personally not going on any vacations this spring break, but I have in the past. And I thought it'd be fun to share this video with you guys because a lot of you guys have requested it and asked me what I would bring if I was going on vacation. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get into it. So one of my first essentials are a pair of sandals. I love my Jack Rogers. They're definitely one of my favorite Preppy Girl essentials, and I just think they're so cute and they go with everything, and you can wear them by like the water and the ocean and everything and they don't get ruined. I just think they're so cute. But you can also bring like a super cheap pair of sandals in case you're afraid of losing them or ruining them, but I absolutely love having a nice pair of sandals. Another thing that I definitely would bring with me is a baseball hat, and this one's just from Vineyard Vines. It's super cute. It's just like one of their baseball caps, but you could bring any type of hat. Like I know those big floppy hats are really fun, but just something to keep the sun out of your eyes. But a pair of sunglasses are definitely essential if you're going somewhere like the beach or something. These are just some Clubmaster sunglasses that I got from Poppy Lifestyle. I think they're so cute and they're so fun because they're white, and having a little strap on your sunglasses is super helpful too, so you don't lose them or misplace them. And this is just from Lily Pulitzer. It's super fun because it has little shells on it and everything. I love it. It's just an extra little accessory. Then I think having like a little crossover bag is super helpful too, especially if you're at the beach, because you probably want to have your phone with you, but you most likely won't have pockets if you're just wearing your swimsuit. So this is nice because you can just put your phone in here, you can have your ID and put some money in here in case need be. It just has a little strap so you can have it as a clutch or cross it over and have it on your shoulder or something. Just really nice and tiny but really convenient. And of course, if you're going swimming, you probably need a swimsuit. So this is my Lauren James swimsuit that I got last year, and I actually got this for spring break last summer too. So this one is just their like gingham high-waisted bikini bottoms. Absolutely love it. And then it has this really fun bikini top, and I love it because it's like this, but it has these really fun sleeves that are super trendy right now. I love it. Unfortunately, it's not the best if you're planning on getting really tan because you might get a weird tan line, or you can just roll them off when you're tanning. But I think it's super cute and I love it. It has a lot of support and everything, and I just think it's so cute, and the colors are so bright and vibrant that I think super fun for spring. And you might want a beach cover up if you guys are like me. I get burnt typically the first day of my vacation, and then I'm like, I need to stay out of the sun, but you don't want to stay in your room the whole time, so I love having a cover up. This is just from Columbia. It's one of their like fishing shirts, but these are like super cute to wear on top of your swimsuit, and they're really long and oversized, so I love wearing them at the beach, and they're really lightweight so they keep you cool. Or you can just wear like an oversized t-shirt as a pool cover up, but these are nice too when you're traveling or if you're just like relaxing and not at the beach or something, like just chilling. And this one's from Southern Shirt Company, and I think it's so cute, and it has this really fun orange and pink design on the back. And I might want to bring some shorts. So I have my really fun fluorescent orange chino shorts. I would definitely be packing tons of chinos because I love wearing these shorts. The last clothing piece that I definitely recommend bringing is sort of like outfit to wear when you go out to dinner or if you're going out to lunch or something, just like a nice dressed up outfit. And this is from Lily Pulitzer. This is actually my first Lily dress. I absolutely love it. It's just white, has some really fun beads on it. I think white dresses are so much fun to wear at the beach. Again, if you guys are going out to dinner, you might want to bring like a nice pair of shoes. So these are my favorite wedges at the moment. They're like the Ralph Lauren. They're just like this wooden heel with this really fun white leather strap on it. I have been wearing them so much lately. I absolutely love them. I just think they're such a fun pair of shoes to have, but like a nice pair of wedges for out to dinner is perfect. You might want to bring a koozie or like buy a koozie there just to keep your drink cold and everything. And this one's from Southern Girl Prep. I think it's so cute, and it's hot pink. These are really nice because they kind of identify your drink as yours. And then another thing is having like a cup or like a water bottle type thing to stay hydrated while you're there is awesome. And again, it's yours, so you know which one it is. The next one is a fun beach bag, and this is just like a Lily Pulitzer shopping bag, but I like using this as a beach bag. I used it as a beach bag last year, and I did film a what's in my beach bag. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a card. And my last and most important essential is sunscreen. Do not forget your sunscreen because you don't want to be like me and get burnt on the first day of your vacation. Not fun. Definitely don't recommend it, and plus it's not good for your skin. So I like having sunscreen. I like wearing 30 or higher just because I'm really fair skinned and burn really easily. I think any sunscreen is better than no sunscreen. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Hit that subscribe button if you want to get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And if you are going on spring break, be sure to be safe and have fun. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe trip. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!